Hi everyone, I made a Saladin here from Love Life Yarn, and today we are going to be working the ridged string network. Okay, it's an open lacy stitch composed of single crochet and chain threes. So you can see here it makes a nice open mesh that might be good for a swimsuit cover up or a lacy top. I use Light Brand Yarn's DZ Twist and a size J hook for this tutorial. So I really love the openness of this stitch and how it turned out. So now I'm going to show you how to crochet this stitch. Let's get started. Okay, this stitch is a multiple of 4 plus 2. So for this tutorial, I'm going to chain 22. So if you're working a larger swatch than this, any multiple of 4, and the actual pattern is a multiple 4 plus 1, and then there's one for the turning chain to get your single crochet. So you'll just chain 4 multiples of 4 and then add 2. Okay, for row 1, you're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then chain 3. And we're going to skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the next chain right here. I'm working into the back loops. I like to do that. So repeat this. You're going to chain 3, skip 3 chains, and single crochet in the next. And we're going to repeat this to the end. Chain 3, skip 3, single crochet. And these chain 3 spaces give us our nice open pattern. But since it's a smaller stitch that's not really very tall, it doesn't give us a huge open area. I really like that about this stitch. So we'll just keep chaining 3 and then skip 3, and we're going to work into this very last chain right here. Mine usually gets a little tight. And here's the first row. See those nice open areas right there in the middle of our single crochet. Okay, and turn. Alright, we're going to chain 1 for our turning chain, and we're only going to be working into the back loop each time we single crochet now. So usually work here, you're going to work just in the back loop. Single crochet, and then you're going to chain 3 just like before. Come to the next single crochet, see it right here, and again work just the back. Chain 3, single crochet in the back loop only of this single crochet. And this is the row you're just going to repeat. This makes a super easy pattern repeat because you're just always single crocheting into the back loop only with 3 chains in between. So it makes it for a nice easy pattern, but it's really nice. I can't wait to work with it for some airy open garments. I really like the way that it looks and the way that it feels, and this yarn right here goes really well with it, this ZZ twist. So the last one, you're just going to work into that very last single crochet. And I have 2 rows done so you can see the openness. And now I'm just going to work one more row for you so you can see for sure how it is, the back loop only. And like I said, that is it. It's just a 1 row repeat. Very basic techniques. Most people, once they learn, can single crochet and chain. The only difference is this little back loop here. So I would consider this a pretty beginner-friendly stitch. And hopefully with the tutorial, makes it easy to see how to create this. And we're almost done with this last row. Working in the back loop only gives you, that's why it's called, the ridged, because it does actually produce a ridge when you're working into the back loop only, which is why it's used for ribbing and stuff a lot. So you can see in the middle of this here, there is like a ridge now where it's sticking out right there. And so that gives it a nice, interesting texture. And a little bit different than just being like a filet crochet or something. So it gives you something a little bit different. So just repeat that row as much as you need, working in your multiple 4+2. And I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe for more and visit me at love.life.yarn.com.